Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into 3 colors from MadKin Beauty to create a very simple St. Patty's Day mani. We're also going to throw in a little bit of scrub ombre just to kind of tie in a little bit more green. But the colors that we're using today with the gel method are just great must-have staple colors. This white right here, it's a beautiful shimmery white. We're going to be using a sparkly gold called Sunkissed. And then we're going to be using a really beautiful green. And I feel like all these colors are definitely must-haves to build up your dip powder collection. And they're great quality powders. So in between each dip, I am going to cure for 30 seconds. I'm only doing one nail with Blissful Kiss because this is going to be our little scrub ombre nail, which I'm going to show you how to do a really simple scrub ombre with dip powders. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into these beautiful colors and see them in action. And I'm going to pop back in just a little bit.
Wake up 2 p.m. I don't know where we are. Looks like a cheap motel with our clothes on the floor. I don't know how we ended up here. And we've been flying high. Are we going too far? I got no cash left and I'm losing my job over you. But I don't care about that. But I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it. Yeah, 'cause no one knows if we're just jumping out the window, try to cling onto it. You got me holding on to something I know it can burn me down, but I don't care about it, 'cause I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it. I've been chasing you like the tail of a dog. I don't get no sleep when we kiss in the dark like we do. I just love the way it feels. Yeah, I know it's bad, but I can't resist. When I look in your eyes, I don't know what is real. All I know is that I could go anywhere, as long as you're with me. Oh, I'm drunk and I know it, but I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it. Yeah, 'cause no one knows if we're just jumping out the window, try to cling onto it. You got me holding
Now that we're done dipping the nails, we're going to go ahead and start that scrub ombre. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an eyeshadow brush. We're going to dip directly into this green here, and then we're just going to gently scrub this powder on the tip of the nail. I like to start at the very tip and then work my way up. The only thing, you want to make sure that you're starting as low as the nail as possible, because you can always add to the ombre, but if you start too high, you are not going to be able to take it away. So just always start at the bottom first and then slowly work your way up. Dust off in between. That's going to make sure that you have like full control of your ombre. Clearly, I did not have full control of that nail right there because that puppy went flying. But the more you start at the bottom and then dust off in between your scrubs, you're going to have more control of your ombre, and you're really going to be able to see where that transition is just kind of fading into that beautiful white. But scrub ombre is really fun. You can really control how dark you want that color to be or how light. So basically what we're going to do is we're just going to keep repeating this process until we get that desired color. And overall, I really love how easy this is to achieve, and it really gives you a really effortless gradient effect. So we're going to continue here. I dusted off and we're just going to build up this color just a tad bit more here. And everything that we are using in today's video, including this little eyeshadow brush, can be found in that description box below. So we are almost done here. I'm achieving that like beautiful like sagey green. So this is what we're working with here. I love it so much. It's beautiful. We're going to dive into filing and buffing here. Filing and buffing is going to be the normal filing and buffing routine I do for gel method. When I'm working with a gel method, I have very minimal filing and buffing, especially when you are working with very finely milled powders and making sure that your gel base that you're using is a very thin consistency and you're doing very thin layers, and you're gently pressing everything down before you cure. You can definitely get away with very minimal filing and buffing because everything is already, for the most part, laying super flat. So I'm just cleaning up the sidewalls, the free edge, and I'm making sure that there's no glitter underneath that press-on nail here, and then reshaping ever so slightly. So the rest of the filing and buffing was done off camera. I did not need to buff directly on top of those nails, so just keep that in mind. Now, if you did need a file and buff, if you are doing the gel method, keep in mind that dipping into a clear dip powder is not going to work with the gel method. Gel base in that clear powder does not work well together. It is going to completely give you a super cloudy effect on your nail, and you're not going to have that beautiful color that you just dipped on. So what you would do is you would do a layer of gel base on the nails, cure for 30 seconds, then go in with a layer of gel top coat. Then you can go ahead and file and buff. That's going to be how you're going to clear and encapsulate when you're doing the gel method, is that you're going to do a layer of both of those. So right now what I'm doing is I am doing a layer of gel base on all the nails and curing for 30 seconds because we're finishing up this mani today. But you will notice I did the gel base on the salad nails first. Then I worked my way into that shimmer nail, and then I worked my way into this beautiful gold glitter here called Sunkissed. This glitter right here I feel like is definitely must have. It's not like that overpowering like harsh gold color. It's more of like a white gold. I feel like this would be paired with a lot of different things like hot pink. You could do a lot of different things for summer, pair it with some corals. So we're curing for 30 seconds here. Then to give this mani a very extreme shine, we're going to use the MadKin Beauty Gel Top Coat. I'm going to finish the rest of the nails off camera and cure for 60 seconds. And the shine that you get from this top coat, it is everything. I love this formula. It's one of my favorite gel top coats, so check out this shine. Here's our finished mani. It's a very simple, yet we pulled in a little bit of sparkle and a little bit of ombre here, but overall I just love it. Here's another alternative to St. Patty's Day. It's not like that bright traditional St. Patty's Day green. This is more of just like a subtle green, and then you have like that beautiful pop of sparkle. So everything that we did use in today's video can be found in that description box below. And I hope you enjoyed this very simple St. Patty's Day mani. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next one.